Okay, who's first in the hole?
I am.
Cool. Let's check out your... Explain this to us.
Like how?
This is your cover. That's a gun. And there's your disguise. Pretty cool. Okay, I gotta ask, who's the enemy? Her? Oh no. You better stay out from the front of there then. You don't have bullets anyway though, right?
No, it's a fake gun.
Good deal.
I do have.
We'll all live longer that way.
I do have a real gun up in my room, but it's a pellet gun.
No, we don't need that. That'll take the fun away from this water heater box. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say I love hot water.
I love hot.
2, 3.
Thanks, Bar.